When the rain falls from the gray sky, creates a noise like thunder. Boom, boom, I know this experience. Boom, boom, thunder and down. I just wish that the sun would come to me. I mean, what's a day with rain and stuck inside? I mean, floods flood the city like every day now from the rain. And the roads will be blocked for me, and I don't find that pleasing. I hate the rain sometimes. It's just quite annoying how the rain can be a pain in the ass. I personally like the sun more than rain sometimes. Sure, it's fun to splashing around in puddles, but rain can be annoying by flooding my city. And I hate having to think about life in the sun when it's a rainy day. Oh, rainy day.